Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Western Digital MyBook 4TB. This is a refurbished device, but I've never had a problem with refurbished devices from Western Digital before. I've had a MyCloud and that's worked perfectly for the past 2 years, and I've also had a MyPassport and that's never failed either on me. I don't mind the refurbished devices because in my mindset they have been checked by an engineer manually. You can always get problems with a drive even when it comes straight out the factory, so the fact that someone's took time and looked at this one, fixed it, and it's all been tested, I have every confidence in Western Digital that it's going to be absolutely fine. That said, this is going to be a second backup drive, so not all my main backup stuff is going to be on there. This is just a copy of it, just in case that one goes wrong, and also so I can have a standalone external drive in the house rather than one that I can take around with me that will take knocks. So hopefully this one will be fine. So let's get to the unboxing. So first of all, it just comes in a brown box. It's nothing magical. SevaLogistics.com, whoever they are. Like I said, I ordered it from Western Digital. I got it at a really good price. I got it at about £54, and that was free shipping as well. It was here within 3 days, so it was perfect, really. Good timing. It's always worth looking on their refurbished site because they do have different deals now and again, so always worth a little check. So let's get into the unboxing. I'll take the tape off. So inside the box is a great bit of packaging. Another box. Get the paperwork in there. So we have another box. So warranty void if still tampered, like you get on everything. So we'll get into this one. Okay, so as you can see, the drive is in there. So let's pull this out. This is the new version of the MyBook, the new design. So it comes in some nice packaging there, and you also get another little box which has all the cables in. So let's look at the drive first. So this is the drive, not too big, it's USB 3, so it should be quick enough for what I need. Like I said, it's going to be a backup device, so I'm going to use it for time machines for my Mac, and I'm also going to partition it, so half of it I can store Windows files on there as well. Like I said, it's 4TB, so I'll probably do the time machine backup at 1.5TB and then use the rest for Windows-based things. Let's take the plastic wrapper off. There we go. So it's been repackaged. It comes with a bit of paper that tells you about the apps that are pre-installed on there. So it does have backup software already pre-installed. I will just use the time machine backup via MacBook rather than using the built-in ones that they have. So it's pretty standard. This got on the back. Let's take the cellophane off. He says. So it's a gloss finish. So USB 3. It does need power. So on the back there, you've got your power. And you've got your micro USB, which is, like I said before, is USB 3, so you get quick transfers. It's also got a MagSafe lock down there. It's got some fans at the bottom. What I believe it is a Western Digital red that's in this drive. Quite a nice sleek design on the front, same as all their new drives. Like I said, gloss finish, so it is prone to fingerprints, but at the end of the day, you shouldn't really be picking it up if it's going to be a standalone drive anyway. Let's get that out of the way. So let's see what extras you get. So again, all nicely packaged. So you get a power cord, just a standard UK power cord for myself. As I am in the UK, you get the USB to USB micro cable, like this blue connector on there, so it is USB 3. And you also get some additional plugs for when you're travelling as well. That's quite handy to have, because they can come in handy for other plugs if you use them for European. Like I said, this isn't going to be going anywhere, so for me those plugs aren't really any use, but they could be for someone. So let me get all this off the table. So that is everything that you get with it. Like I said, it's just a quick unboxing. I hope you liked the video. If you did, if you could like and subscribe to the channel. Any feedback's always great. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.